Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Libras. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. And I'll be picking one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys. And I have a special pick a card love reading. So if you want more clarity after watching this general energy, you can watch that, guys. Or if you have some questions or doubts, some confusions, that may answer you guys that reading, that pick a card love reading. So that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards for your general energy, guys. We have for your Libras, we have 8 of Suns in reverse, 3 of Spheres, and 6 of Stars. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Libras, maybe for some of you, you are changing your place of work or moving to a different city for maybe you are getting a promotion, guys. So some kind of a move is taking place, or some kind of a journey. Or for some of you, you are giving up your old ideas, or you're changing so much, maturing so much, thinking differently now. So what works well for you, you know that, and you are going for those ideas, something new in your situation, and you are implementing new ideas in your career situation or in your personal life, guys. And I also see that maybe for some of you, there are people quite envious of you, and they are working against you, maybe, guys. And they are quite jealous of you, how you are doing in life. And maybe you are worried, you are regretting about certain decisions that you made. It may be something in your work, or it may be something to do with your personal life, in your relationship, guys. And you are worried that you have made some decisions today. Maybe you are regretting those decisions. Maybe for some of you, you are moved to a different city or a place for work and leaving this person you love. That is creating a lot of pain for you, but you have made this bold choice. You have decided for yourself, but today you just wish that you never did it, and you just wish that you um, never moved to this new place. And maybe for some of you, uh, it may be your energy or their energy, guys, and you want to come back, you want to get back to your old life, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. And for some of you, whatever troubles that you are facing, you are going to resolve all that bit by bit, and your reputation is going to grow, guys. Maybe in work or in your personal life, you are going to earn a very good name for yourself. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For your general energy, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. So we have 10 of Spheres in reverse. So with this card, this may be what your person feels about you, or what you feel about them, guys. So some changes have happened, and you don't know where things are going to go. Maybe you moving away for work or for something else, or you're changing your residence, moving away. That has caused some kind of an uncertain atmosphere in your relationship. So Maybe for some of you, just like we saw with the previous cards, your situation will resolve, guys, bit by bit. That is what I see. So, with the previous cards, also we saw the move and some kind of pain or sadness because of that, and you regretting this decision or they regretting this decision. But this situation is going to resolve if it is something to do with your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have 5 of stars. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are maybe for some of you, you have done some mistakes and you are feeling really humiliated. You may see some project suspensions or some kind of work related stress, some kind of difficult situation in your work, guys. But you need to understand that there is a chance that this is just a chance. Maybe it may happen or may not happen, but it is all in your hands. Today, guys, maybe you need to have hope and faith for yourself, so things will get back to normal, I feel, guys. Libras, bit by bit, but you're facing some troubles, but your situation is going to change. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So if you want to watch the pick a card love reading, stay tuned. That is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards, and whatever your situation is, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this aside. So let's see what it is. We have Passatine Garnet. So this is the card for you all, guys, and this is your crystal for those who have chosen this card. So this card just means that you are unique in your own way and you are really working hard, trying really hard to make people like you. But you need to stop that, because your soulmate, the person who is amazing, glorious, and who is the perfect match, is waiting for you to come towards you. So you need to understand that whatever you are trying to hide or whatever you are trying to change for to make people like you, or for yourself to have that understanding, you need to give up that fear or whatever apprehensions you have and feel comfortable in your own skin. So whatever you are, you should not be ashamed to show that, and you should be truthful to your heart. You should show your authentic self. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you're charming, charismatic, and sparkling, and you are a brilliant person in your own unique way, just like everyone else is. So you need to shine brightly, whatever you are, instead of trying to hide or change yourself, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you are authentic to yourself, you will find that authentic love today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who have chosen the second card. And this is your card, guys, the second card. And it is the Juniper Tree, Deception. So with this card, the energy is that for you all is that it just means that you have been carrying a great burden till now. Maybe it is someone else's responsibility, not yours, and you are carrying so much sadness within you because of that. And you must let go of that sense of feeling that everything is your fault, and you have a good heart. That is the reason you are thinking that it is your fault that certain things are happening in your life today, guys. But you should not lose hope, and you need to keep doing what you need to do today. And soon, very soon, the person you loved, that person will come back to you. Maybe for some of you, I see, maybe you, if you are in a breakup, if you are in a separation, this person is going to come back to you, is going to build that understanding. Maybe there is a third party involved. That may be the reason that you feel that sadness today. But you need to do the right thing, and whatever happiness or whatever love you lost is coming back to you. And you should not act out of your anger or resentments today, guys. You have to have compassion in your heart. And when you are compassionate, your situation is going to change. And maybe for some of you, you have taken up false blame, or someone has blamed you for something which is not your mistake, and you are accepting it because you are a person of a very good heart. But you need to understand that it is not your responsibility and it is not your burden. So you need to let go of that, but have that compassion in your heart, and don't act based on your impulses. When you do that, you're going to find the person you love coming back to you, understanding your situation and understanding the whole scenario, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and you're getting second chances at life, at love. So whatever you missed, that is going to come back to you, guys. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.